first VC-10 was delivered on the 7th of July 1966, so that's the 14th. And on the far side of the airfield now, off to the north, the VC-10 getting the gear down. Four engines at the back of the aircraft, not under the wings as is more common these days. The refuel from another tanker. Of course, these aircraft deploy to all the wartime theatres that the Royal Air Force is involved in. They're also involved in refueling the American Navy aircraft, and the RAF crews are very highly thought of by the American Navy. They say they're always there when they're needed, they're always prepared to go the extra mile, they do the job. And the US Navy have been highly complimentary about the guys in the VC-10s and the TriStars. A low overshoot from Flight Lieutenant Jez Lurie.
Looking at it at the moment, one of the first things you'll see is no large long-range tanks underneath the wings, which is typical of the standard or normal Hercules. What you can't see is that the propeller blades are actually six-bladed rather than four. And the reason for this is that the C-130J is very different. It's got new Rolls-Royce Allison turbo composite propellers, digital engine control system. It's got about 30% more power, and it's 15% more efficient than the old Hercules. That's one of the reasons why it doesn't need to drag those big fuel tanks around anymore. The reason for that is the captain's about to do a very short tactical landing. About 15 seconds of landing, he'll call brace brace. The engines on the Land Rovers that are strapped down at the back will be fired up. The load masters will be ready to release the chains that actually hold the vehicles in, and then we'll be looking for uniform. Squadron guys will remove the remaining restraints, lower the final bit of the ramp. Tail ramps will come down, and out will come two vehicles. Pretty hostile normally, but we'll see what happens. So just have a look at the Hercules now, so you can see the difference to some degree. There are no long-range tanks there, no in-flight refueling probe the old RAF Hercules used to have. There's the door down. Tail ramps just coming down now. Out come the vehicles. Now, if this was at a sort of an airfield that was under attack, the one thing you wouldn't be able to do is stay on the ground very long. So you can see already the MAMS people are back on board. The aircraft is now being reversed using the reverse thrust from those Allison engines. First time that military transport aircraft had a fully pressurised fuselage and a full section rear ramp door, so that could be opened in flight. Back if they want to. You can see that very short tactical takeoff. So as I say, this is basically the same aircraft we've seen for the last 50 years, but this is the hot ship version. Affectionately known as Fat Albert. I said this is a C5, that's the short stubby version. The Royal Air Force have got a stretch version, which is the C4. And if you go back historically, the first Hercules was the crew has changed significantly. No longer a requirement for a navigator or for a flight engineer. So it's a two-man pilot operation plus the load masters at the back. Walking around the Scenic Park, I hope you've gone to look at the Pakistani Hercules, which has got some wonderful, wonderful artwork on it. I'm not going to say any more than that, but if you haven't wandered around the stag area, go and have a look at the Pakistani Hercules. Now that's a fairly gentle wing over for a large aeroplane. Probably the only thing that Hercules hasn't been used for is the fighter. It seems to be doing just about everything else, including sort of picking up down crew, catching satellite information as it comes down, all sorts of things. Operating off the ice sequence. In from the left, about 100 feet, fairly fast. Is the pilot at the moment. He's an instructor on J training flight. 9 years on the Hercules, 4 of those have been on the J model, and sitting beside him is Flight Lieutenant Dave Kirby. Joined the Air Force as a navigator, went on to fly the Tornado GR1 and then transferred across. Started the multi-engine conversion in 1999. One of the first C-130J Hercules pilots who had no previous Hercules experience. Up to about 1,000 feet, we're now doing the King-style approach, this very vicious nose down again, designed to get the aircraft inside the security of the airfield. A short tactical landing. Again, you can use a very powerful Allison engines in reverse thrust to significantly reduce the landing run. As you might say, to make sure that if the ship suddenly rolls, then they won't fall off the side. But it's a very, very secure way of doing it. If you go back to 82 in the low level horizontal speed over 320 knots. The aircraft is pulling up now to perform a quick aileron roll, followed by off-human takes. The PC-21 is flown by Reto Eschlimann. He is a professional F-18 fighter pilot in the Swiss Air Force, and now he changed to the Flight Test Department of Pilotus, and he is the Chief of Flight Operations. Additionally to his duties at Pilotus, he is still an active air combat attendant man drivers. Down the runway, and the PC-21 is now with us.
Lined up for one of the two big American bombers. Just been cleared to take off, the B-1B Lancer. A lot of noise about to each of them. That's 125,000 roughly, 1,000 tons of thrust from these four big engines. So a lot of noise coming from the left as the B-1B at the 28 knots. Air Force Base in Texas with its wings fully swept back. I mentioned the fact that its wings are fully swept back because of course that does have a degree of variability to their sweep back. Okay, we appear to have the B-1B landing. So as the B-1 has is approaching with his PC-21 from the left. And is showing some robots. Flight control bird strike. And that's to get the C-52 Stratofortress into the air. From the 11th, 20th and 96th bomb squadrons that passed out Louisiana, the LA on the 7th aircraft 65, Louisiana. Here it is. They operated from here for the first Gulf War and the Kosovo. Crew today, Aircraft Commander Jeremy Provenzano of the 11th Bomb Squadron. Co is Lieutenant David Schmanley of the 20th Bomb Squadron. And radar is Captain Ken Tice of the 11th Bomb Squadron, and they're just about to touch down at the left-hand end of the runway. You see still lift on the wings, so the wings are reasonably straight. As the aircraft slows down, the wings stretch, and then the outrigger wheel on the end, nearly on the end of the wings, gets closer to the ground. And there's the absolutely huge braking chute deployed, slowing the aircraft down. No robust reverse thrust on those 8 engines. 8 Pratt & Whitney G33s, 17,000 pounds of thrust each, but no reverse. And you see that the aircraft has dipped down onto its right outrigger wheel. Welcome to Royal International Airport 2006 as 2 Jetstreams turn onto the runway. The Scottish Aviation Jetstream twin turboprop transports.
Designed as a small airline feeder. However, the development cost broke the company, not a good plan really, and the project was transferred then to another company that's since gone bust, and that's Scottish Aviation. That became a division of British Aerospace back in 1978, and now of course that's BAE Systems. The civilian Jetstream 31 became at one stage one of the most successful 19-seaters in the world, so Handy Page probably just had the right idea, but they needed some decent management to get it